Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. We were discussing that about nucleophilic substitution reactions, and in nucleophilic substitutions we have taken here a example skeleton. Here you can solve lots of reactions with the help of this skeleton. Okay dear student, that here is a tertiary alkyl halide and treated with NaOH base to form alcohol. Okay, so this is the example of nucleophilic substitution reactions. This reaction is the process of this reaction, the mechanism of this reaction. We are going to discuss about the mechanism today. Okay, so mechanism. All tertiary alkyl halide undergoes substitution by SN1 mechanism or SN1 reaction. That means all tertiary alkyl halide are retained and undergoes the substitution reactions by SN1 mechanism. So the mechanism of this reaction is SN1 mechanism. It's known as SN1 mechanism. SN1, we can say SN1 mechanism. Okay, SN1 mechanism. Okay, what is a mechanism, dear student? The process by which any reaction is completed or happened is called mechanism. Okay, the step we can say here. Okay, now SN1 mechanisms are of SN1 mechanism happen in two steps. Step first, formation of carbocation. Okay, now let us see here. In alkyl halide written here CrRX, it may be different. Okay, polarization, ionization take place to form R, C, R dash, R double dash positive and X negative. Okay, this is the slowest step of the reaction, and we have already discussed in the slowest step in any reaction. The slowest step is the rate determining step of the reactions. That is determine the rate of reaction, and you can see here only one molecule taking part in slowest step, so it is the concentration of reactions depends only upon the substrate, that means tertiary alkyl halide. So this is called SN1 reaction. Okay dear student, so SN1 mechanism. Next, now in second step second, in this step nucleophile attack on the carbocation. In this step nucleophile attacks on the carbocation to form product. See here. Here is written. Here is intermediate carbocation R, C, R dash, R double dash, positive dash, and hydroxy group is the nucleophile coming from NaOH, and it will attach to the carbocation like this and will form R, C, R dash and R double dash and OH, alcohol, the product, main product. Okay dear student, so it is a fast reaction, not rate determining step. It is a rate determining step. So this is the mechanism of this skeleton. Now I am going to tell you by taking a real molecule. Okay, see here. Now suppose we have CH3, CCH3, CH3 and Br. Okay, and when treated with NaOH, hydrolyzed with NaOH to form CH3, C, CH3, CH3 and OH. Okay, and byproduct is NaBr. Okay, the mechanism of this reaction. Now, right, mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism. Only write here mechanism. This is SN1 mechanism. You can see here tertiary alkyl halide. So it is SN1. It will solve with the help of SN1 mechanism. And according to SN1 mechanism happen in two steps. One is slowest step and second one is fast step. In the first slowest step, carbocation formation is take place, while in fast reaction, nucleophile attack to the carbocation to form product. Like see here, it is two-step mechanism. It is two-step mechanism. Okay, two-step mechanism. Step first. In this step, ionization takes place to form an intermediate carbocation. Okay, now take here CH3, CH3 and Br. Okay, ionization and form CH3, CH3 and positive charge and bromide ion release that. This is the slow system. Okay, and step second, nucleophile attached to the carbocation to form product. In this step, nucleophile attack to the carbocation to form product. Nucleophile come from NaOH here, CH3, CH3 positive and OH negative. Okay, and it will attack to the carbon nucleus is very fast and will form CH3C, CH3 and CH3OH. Okay, this is the product. Okay, so dear student, this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, but unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions and all tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN1 mechanism. Okay, so the ease of reactivity towards the SN1 mechanism is RCR is greater than the RCR greater than RCS2X very lesser. Okay, this is the ease of reactivity through SN1 mechanism. Okay, now we are going to discuss about SN2 mechanism. What is SN2 mechanism? All primary alkyl halide form product after reacting with NaOH with SN2 mechanism. Okay, see here, suppose CH3X and here NaOH and form CH3OH and NaX. Okay, according to NaX here, let us see here bromine, then it will be formed bromine. NaBr. Now the mechanism, it is SN2 mechanism and it is a one step mechanism. One step mechanism. In this step, and transition state is formed. Okay, like suppose here carbon, hydrogen, and here bromine and hydroxy group. Here this is nucleophile. It will attach to the back side of the carbon here and the slowest step, and it will form an intermediate, a transition state. In transition state, hydroxy group partially bonded with carbon like this HOC, and halogen atom here bromine partially broken and hydrogen attached in a plane like this, both carrying negative charge here, and this is a transition state. At very fast the reaction will inversion takes place to form CH3OH and bromine is a neutral. Okay, dear student, so you can see here it is a one step mechanism in one step, and both here substrate and nucleophile taking part in the slowest step, so it is denoted by 2, that means it is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, because in the slowest state both substrate molecule and hydroxy group, that is nucleophile, taking part, and then the rate of reactions depends upon the both substrate and attacking region. Here nucleophile is called bimolecular substitution reaction. It is a one step and make a transition state for only 10 the power -8 second. Okay, this state form only for 10 the power -8 second. Okay, and at once the inversion take place to form methyl alcohol and bromide is liberated. Okay, dear student, so this is our SN1 mechanism, and the ease of reaction towards the SN2 mechanism is CH3OH greater than CH3C halide and very less here CH tertiary. Okay, dear student, tertiary. Okay, this is the decreasing order of reactivity towards SN2 mechanism. Okay, so we have finished the nucleophilic substitution reactions and also the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reactions. Next video, in next lecture, we will discuss about electrophilic and free radical substitution reactions. Okay, thank you, all the best.